I'm going to show you how to make a drink called truck punch. We're going to start off with ice, pour that into a glass, and then we're going to put in an ounce of bourbon. Now, if you're making this in a big punch bowl, you would want to use a liter of bourbon. But I'm going to use 1 ounce because I'm making 1 serving. And then, if you're making it as a punch, do 1/5 of apple schnapps, or if it's just a glass, just do 1/2 ounce. Just like that. Then you're going to add 1/2 ounce of cinnamon schnapps, or 1/2 if you're making it in a big punch. And then just a few splashes of squirt or any lemon lime soda. All right. Go ahead and shake that very gently. It is carbonated, so take it easy. There we go. And then we're going to pour this into a highball glass. Go ahead, add in your stirring straw, and there you have it, truck punch. Cheers.